find the angle between the line R equal to 205 plus lambda 312 4 and the plane negative x plus 2y plus 2z minus 66. Everything is equal to a 0. Now in the first place, let's first draw our plane below. Then we draw a line through the plane and the normal vector to our plane. So remember, they want us to obtain the angle between this line and the plane, which is theta. Okay, so now before doing anything, let's note something. So I'm going to say the angle between the line, this line, and the plane can be obtained by first obtaining the angle between the direction vector. So we are going to first get the angle between the direction vector to the line and the normal vector to the plane. So we are going to get the angle between D and N, which is alpha. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We are going to obtain it using the dot product. So we are going to say D dot N, everything's equal to the absolute value of D times the absolute value of N, then cos of angle alpha. But D is equal to 3, 12, and 4, whereas N is equal to, we extract out the coefficients on X, Y, and Z, which is -1, 2, and then a 2. So afterwards, we substitute. So this is 3, 12, 4, dot -1, 2, and 2. Everything is equal to, now the absolute value of D is the same as the square root of 3 squared plus 12 squared plus 4 squared times the square root of -1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared, then cos of alpha. So 3 times -1, that is a -3, plus 12 times 2, that is a 24, plus 4 times 2, that is 8. Everything is equal to the square root. 3 squared, this is a 9, plus 144, plus 16, times -1 squared, that is a 1, plus 4, plus a 4, then cos of angle alpha. So -3 plus 24 plus 8, this is a 29. Everything's equal to, now when we evaluate this, we are going to get 39, then multiplied with cos of alpha. Okay, so we want to get all alpha, so we are going to first divide by 39 on both the sides. So alpha is equal to cos inverse of 29 divided by 39. So we get our calculator and obtain angle alpha. So alpha is equal to 41.96 degrees. But they want us to obtain angle alpha. Note, the interior angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, we are going to say theta plus alpha plus 90 degrees, everything is equal to 180 degrees. But theta plus 41.96 plus 90, this is 180 degrees. So 41.96 plus 90 degrees, this gives us theta plus 131.96 degrees, everything is equal to 180 degrees. So we carry 131.96 on the right hand side. Therefore, theta is equal to 180 minus 131.96. So this gives us 48.04 degrees.